Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Aztec Airdrop. This is ZkMoney. I'm going to check with you guys some updates of things that you need to do in order to participate into this important airdrop. Like always in my videos, we are going to go step by step on everything that you need to do. I already covered Aztec Network on December 12th, but here are some updates on things that you need to do and you are still available to do it. So we are going to cover everything step by step, and it's related to ZkPay, so pay attention to all this video. And you are going to find this in my application. Remember that you have a subscription for my Discord and for my app of register airdrops. So in my application it's going to appear as Aztec 2 updates. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well today, like I mentioned, we covered more updates on the Aztec airdrop. We really want to do this airdrop. This is a very important airdrop. I will put it in the level of Arbitrum, Optimism, Zksync. This is a project, a rollup layer 2 solution, but with a focus on privacy. And like I said before, we already covered this airdrop on a video that I did on December. So you still are available to do this, still in time. So first of all, you need to do this video. This is a second part of things that you need to do. But if you never did anything of Aztec, I recommend you to check this video. And it's going to be the first step on our list of steps to do. So first of all, go and check this video. The link is in the description. And if you're not familiar what Aztec is, it's a Zk rollup layer 2 solution on Ethereum oriented for privacy. With Aztec Network DeFi protocols, we will be able to integrate privacy in hundreds of transactions. Recently, they raised 100 million guys in Series B funding from top VCs. And this round was led by a 16C. Series A was led by Paradigm and they raised 17 million. Also, Vitalik Buterin, the CEO and one of the co-founders of Ethereum, was participating in this round. And in this article, I'm going to show you how to get the NFT badge, which can be a crucial thing for airdrop eligibility. So let's go directly to my step-by-step on these Aztec airdrop updates. So the first thing, do my first video of Aztec Network. Here is the link, and in the link you're going to see the video that you can play there and the steps of what you need to do in order to participate on Aztec. So after you do that, what we need to do is step 2, which is make at least 3 GL transactions on ZkMoney above of 0.035 Ethereum. So you're going to go here to ZkMoney, and you can see I am already logged in here, and you need to send, which is shield. So you go here and click on shield from the layer 1. So in this case I am using Ethereum, of course. So from Ethereum I am sending Ethereum here to ZkMoney. This is the app of Aztec. This is going to be transformed into Zk Ethereum. And you can see here I have 3 already transactions in my history. You need to have it with the 2 clicks like you can see here. That means that you already received that. So at least move 0.035 in 3 different transactions. You need to have above 0.1 in the transaction history. So if you are not willing to move that money, which is around $200, a little more maybe, then this airdrop is not going to be for you, because in ZkMoney you are already moving real money. And in order to get into this point, like I mentioned, first do my first video. So you are going to be setting up your account and everything on Aztec and ZkMoney. So after you do that, you do 3 transactions, 3 shield transactions of 0.035 Ethereum into your ZkMoney. It's very easy to do. You just go to shield more, and here you have your ID. Here you are going to put the amount that you want to put, and you can select if you want to the speed of your transactions. 4 hours is going to take if it will cost you less than $1, or 7 minutes if you pay $22, which is a lot. So make here 3 transactions of 0.035 Ethereum, and you are going to be ready for step 3. So step 3 is you need to go to SISMO. So this is the URL. This is also part of the Aztec ecosystem. So click there, and here you are going to need to do a couple of things until you get to this screen. And to support this video, I'm going to use a couple of screenshots. So the first time that you go to the URL of SISMO, I am just sharing some screenshots of what I did before. You need to click on sign in to SISMO. There you are going to sign some messages, so accept everything, click on OK on everything with your connected wallet. Remember, this wallet is the same wallet that you are using on ZkMoney. So click on continue, and here you are going to see that you don't have a vault yet. So click on create a SISMO vault. You are going to need again sign some transactions there, add in an owner, and after you do that you are going to see this page. And from there you can click here this arrow, and you can go here to this, which is the settings. And in the settings you are going to see that in accounts you didn't have minted any badges. And in settings you are going to click here on generate recovery key. I already have my recovery key, but you need to copy that. It's like your private key for this vault, so don't miss that. Save it in a secure place, and you are going to have that in order to return here anytime that you want, in case that then you go out of the vault. So with that you're going to be able to get enter again here. So that is an important step. So doing that, you already did step 4, which is create a vault there. And from there we need to mint your badge. That is the step 5. But like you can see here, I am in this step which says prove eligibility, and you can see that in my account here right now you can see that says you are not eligible. And what you need to prove here is that you are an active Aztec user with at least 3 layer 1 deposits. That is why we did those 3 deposits. And in order for you to be eligible here, this could take like 10 hours, 12 hours, 11 hours, or 24 hours. So after you do those 3 transactions on step 2, you need to get into this point of your SISMO vault, and you need to wait until you see here that you are eligible. For the purpose of the video, I'm going to continue from this part into a documentation. So we get into this screenshot that you can see is the same that I have been showing you, and you can see here at the moment it shows that we are not eligible. We should wait approximately 9 hours. Sometimes it can take up to 24 hours. So let's wait until we are eligible to complete the next step. And in this document they put after 13 hours I see that I am eligible. So now you can see and show press next. So in one of my accounts, guys, it took me like 16 hours, not 13. So be patient on that. After you do those 3 transactions, these need to be connected and see that you did those transactions. Once you have that, you're going to see that you can go and click on next. And you can see that says congratulations, you are eligible. So press there. And here you're going to need to select a destination and an import destination. So to select destination, you can select your same account, and you are going to click on import destination, and you select your wallet, and you can choose the same wallet address which we used before. And it's okay that we see the following: this account is used as a source. I had doubts before on that, but it's the same. You can see here in the screenshot that you are in this select destination step, where you put your destination account is the same that you are using, the same that your source account. So that is okay. You don't need to worry about that. And press next. And you can see here a message that says the destination you selected is also used as a source. If you intend to use your badge in a privacy preserving way, we advise to choose another destination. So they advise to create another account to that, but we are not going to do that. I don't see that necessary. So click I am aware and click on continue. And finally, you need to press this button mint badge. And that's it, guys. Congratulations. Now you can go to the Discord role to verify this and get the role. So after doing that, you already did step 5, which is mint your badge. Now we need to join to the ZkPay Finance Discord. Here is the link to the Discord of ZkPay. Step 7, guys, follow ZkPay Finance in Twitter also, because you are going to have a role in the Discord if you follow them on Twitter, so it's important too. After you get the badge, you join the Discord and the Twitter. You need to go and get all the roles that you can in this Discord link. This will give you, including the Aztec badge verified role. So go to that link, and that link is here in the roles and badges. You have about the roles, verified roles, click on verified roles. And here on this page, you need to click on let's go. And you can see that for this account, I still don't have my Aztec badge verified. I am waiting after doing the 3 transactions to be eligible for mint, like I showed you before. But I am already a role of crypto user because I verify when I enter into Discord. I also follow ZkPay Finance in Twitter. So now, after you mint that, you are going to see that you have your role here as an Aztec badge verified. So guys, that is all the updates that I wanted to bring into this video. I think that is really important to get it. And why I think that is important, guys, because once you get that, you are going to have access to this, also some parts of the Discord that are only for Aztec badgers. And you can see the people that don't have the badge, it's only 18,000, guys. Members on the Discord, 26,000. So many of them, of the members here, doesn't have the Aztec badger. And also I think that is a NFT that is approved, that you use it like they want it, the Aztec ZkMoney application. So I think it's going to be a decisive point on the users that participate on the airdrop or not, if they do an airdrop. And guys, the step 9 and 10. Step 9 is the official information on how to do everything that I explained in the video. This is all here in a Discord chat, so you can go to that link also and check everything. You have all the links and stuff that you need to do. I think I did it more easy for you on this video, but doesn't hurt to go and check here on the verify and the official information on how to get it. And the step 10 is the same, but with unofficial information on how to get the Aztec badge. And guys, remember to do what I put in the first Aztec video for the airdrop, because after you get this NFT, I also will recommend you to go and to use the earn section. And in the earn section, you can compound, put into the liquidity pool, and also the easiest way to stake Zk Ethereum, once you have it here, is here on the Lido earn option. So this is very easy for you. You just need to go there and click on earn and deposit there your Zk Ethereum. So guys, these are the updates for Aztec Money, Aztec Network. Very important, guys, that you check my subscription page. The application is working enormously well. I have more than 100 Discord members, more than 100 people using my application, and recently I did more updates on my app. On February 4th, I launched this video explaining the new features and updates on my application, so you can check this video in order to know all the new stuff that I put there. You can put comments on your airdrops, you can copy entire wallet with the progress comments into a new wallet. There are many new functionality, and also at the end of that video I give you a quick tour for all the application like we have it right now. So the application keeps growing. I am still working on more updates. All our updates that I do are all feedbacks that the members on my Discord channel using my app give me. So I am really listening to what you guys want there. Well guys, that is all the video for Aztec ZkMoney airdrop updates. Before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Follow me at CryptoState in Twitter. I post many things, news and other airdrops, distribution updates and more stuff that are not in my YouTube channel. So click there and go into my Twitter, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.